What's up everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a cabin filter change on a Kia Sorento. This is a 2015, but it does work on several different years. So all we're going to need to do this is our new filter. There's no other tools required. So once you have your new filter, we can go ahead and get into it. So our cabin filter is going to be located behind the glove box. How we're going to get to it is open the glove box, and we need to remove three things. This stop here, this stop here, and then this dampening cord right here. So to get the dampening cord out, you're going to want to pick up on the glove box just a little bit in order to give yourself some slack, and then get a hold of it like this. And then you just need to feed it, turn it sideways, and feed it through this square right here. So you do that, and that'll kind of retract back up into there. That's fine. So now we need to remove these stops. And if you use your one hand and pick up on it just a little bit to take the pressure off, and then these will go about a quarter turn and then come out. Do the same thing on this side. Pick up on the glove box just a little bit, take off the tension, go about a quarter turn, and that'll pull right out of there. Then once you have those three things undone, it'll allow that just to come down. And then we can actually see our cabin filter door right here. So what we're gonna do is go ahead, and these clips, as you can see my fingers, are just gonna pinch together and pull off. We'll come over here and do the exact same thing. And now we can see our filter right here. As you can see, this one needs to be changed. And that's it. I mean, pretty simple. In order to get it back together, you'll just put your new filter in, make sure you have the arrow pointing down on your new filter, and then you'll just reverse everything we just did to close it back up. You'll grab your cord from back here, pull down, feed it through, and put those stops back in. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.